Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Alibaba account. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. You can see over here Alibaba application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Tap on this icon My Alibaba that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. You'll be able to find the sign in methods like Google, Facebook and email over here. Simply tap on the sign in method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Simply enter the email address that you used while creating your account. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your password, tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Alibaba account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.